In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Present, if we student in the class and teacher, dear student and most respect teacher and good morning. Myself, Mrs. Fozia, and I am a student of MCS first morning from Ghazi University, DG Khan. What is a journal? The book in which a person enters the original transaction, commonly referred to as a book of original entry, chronological listing of all the business transactions for the company. Each listing records the debts and credits associated with that business transaction. A book or a location introduction. The letter is the principal book of accounting system. It contains different account where transactions relating to that account are record. A ledger is the collection of all the accounts debted and created in the journal prepare and various special journal. Ledger. A ledger is a book which contains all the accounts which are first entered in journal. Accounting a LCR copy the book which contains a classified and permanent record of all the transaction of a business is called the ledger. It is the permanent record of the transaction that cannot change. Distinction between journal and ledger. The journal is the book of the first entry. The ledger is the book of the second entry. The journal is the book of the chronological record. The ledger is the book of the analytical record. The journal as a book of source entry gets greater importance as than the ledger. Transaction is the basis of classification of data within the journal. Accounts is the basis classification of data within the ledger. Progress of recording is the journal is called journalism. The progress of recording in the ledger is known as posting. What is the ledger? A ledger accounts can be defined as a summary statement of all the transactions relating to a person, assets, expenses to income which have taken place during a given period of time and show their net effect. Thus, a group of accounting is known as ledger. Journal ledger balance. Account balance can be displayed for analyze revenue in a purpose for closing and other purpose. Balance can be displayed for open or cleared item and for any time period. Types of ledger. Journal ledger, a collection of group of accounting that supports the values item shown in the major functional statements or subsidiary ledger. Subsets of the journal ledger. What is a trial balance? A bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all the ledger are compiled in depth and created columns. A company prepares a trial balance periodically, usually at the end of every reporting period. The general purpose of the producing a trial balance is the ensures the entries in a company bookkeeping system are the mathematical correct. Future of trial balance. It is the list of balance, the ledger accounts, and the cash book. It is not a part of the double entry system of the bookkeeping. It is a result of the double entry system of bookkeeping. It is only a working paper. It can be prepared on any date. It verifies the arithmetic accuracy of the posting of entries from the journal to the ledger. It is not a conclusive proof of the accuracy of the book of the accounts. Since the advantage of the real balance are, it helps center the arithmetic accuracy of the bookkeeping work done during the period. It supplies in one place ready reference of all the balance of the ledger accounts. If any array in found out of the preparing a real balance, the same can be refined before the preparing functional accounts. It is the basis on which functional accounts are prepared. Following all the balance straight from the ledger of Mr. Clinton prepare a ट्रायल बैलेंस एज ऑन 31 दिसंबर 2015। पार्टिकुलर कैपिटल ए सी बराबर है 40,000 और ड्राइविंग बराबर है 4,000 और सन डेकोरेटर बराबर है 18,440। मोटर कार एक्सपेंसिव हमारे पास है 3,000। सेल्स 29,560 है और ट्रेड एक्सपेंसिव है 8,500। इंश्योरेंस है 1,300 और ओपनिंग स्टॉक है 8,500। पार्टिकुलर परचेज हमारे पास है 26,500 और प्रिंटिंग हमारे पास है 3,000। रेंट हमारे पास है 2,500। ऑफिस एक्सपेंसिव 7,000। कमीशन पेड है 5,000। सन्डर डेप्टर 1,800 है। डिस्काउंट अलाउड 2970 है। इंटरेस्ट रेवेन्यू 2000 है। थैंक यू फॉर एनी क्वेश्चन।